So here we go. There's 3 Tundra Trackers next to a singular HTC 2.0 Vive Tracker. That's crazy. Hello, gems, and welcome back to the Sapphire Star. Today, we are getting to explore into the new realms of VR technology. We are going to be reviewing the Tundra Trackers. I've already tried the Tundra Trackers out, and let me tell you, this needs to be our new VR standard because it is literally, they're fantastic. I love them so much, and I am super duper pumped for these to be available again soon. We're hoping they'll be available again soon for people to order. Without further ado, let's get straight into unboxing and unraveling and learning about the Tundra Trackers. It's about to be hype. Twitch chat can say hello to YouTube. Everybody says hello. It's always good vibes over here. If you're interested in watching these unboxings live or joining us and asking me questions and connecting with us, make sure you check out my Twitch channel. You can come hang out with us and it's a great time. Come join us. First things first, we legitimately, bro, I've never seen like tech come in this nice of a case. Literally look at this case. Like this is top of the line, top tier. It even has a handle. Dude, it has a handle. Hold on, we gotta take a trip around the world with our Tundra Tracker bag. Check it. We got our Tundra Trackers. We're ready to go. I don't know where I'd be taking my Tundra Trackers because I have to be attached to my PC and stuff, you know, but it works. Tundra Travel. Wait, I love that, Nona. We got some cute stickers too, vibes. Hold on, I don't know why my face is going super white. What is happening? When I move it by my face, my lighting changes. Look at that. Tundra Trackers are magical. They changed the lighting. And here is a quick overview of the Tundra case. After like opening everything, I love the case quality. Case quality is, chef's kiss, top of the line. So first off, you get 3 trackers total. We have 1, we have 2, and we have number 3. So you get 3 trackers. 1 will go on each ankle and 1 will go on your hip. Doesn't matter which, you can put any wherever and your VR will read it. Okay, as long as you have Steam VR downloaded. Next, they come with some basic straps. So here's one of the ankle straps. They're a little bit tricky to set up, but these are the basic straps that they come with. They're Velcro and they have like a little loop. I've tried them before. All right, so they also come with 3 of these charging ports. It's the same charger that charges the Valve Index controllers. The cord is a little bit short, so if you're somebody that likes to play while having your trackers charged, you might want to buy longer ones or some type of extension. I usually play while my trackers are charging, but hear me out, gems. The Tundra Trackers, I have not tested it for myself yet. I'm actually going to do an actual test, but it is said that the Tundra Trackers last for, I believe, up to 8 to 9 hours. Well, the HTC Vive 2.0 trackers only last up to 4 hours, which is an insane difference. And most people are probably not staying in VR for longer than 8 to 9 hours unless you're sleeping in VR, but you don't really need your trackers on in that case. So you can also order the 𝐒𝐻𝐳 premium straps from Tundra. However, I think I still prefer the ones from Amazon. I'm going to talk a little bit though about the Tundra 𝐒𝐻𝐳 premium tracking straps next. So this right here is for your feet. I got 2 foot trackers. You can also order a hip one, I believe, but I only have the 2 feet ones. And then what I'm going to be using is the regular track strap that you can order off of Amazon for my hip tracker because I only got the feet tracker. So this is for both your ankles and this is for your hip. And this is what you use to keep your trackers attached to your body. Now, what I noticed with the regular track straps, we'll talk a little bit about what some of the problems are here with that. But the problem with this is, even if you have it super tight, is with these normal trackers, the Tundra Tracker slides back and forth. And that's a problem when you're playing games like VR chat because your hips are gonna go flying, especially if you do a lot of movement, like if you do dancing. That's the one downside, and the one thing that I don't like about the Tundra Trackers is the basic straps and the way it's engineered is the slide, because that's a big problem for people who move around a lot in VR. And that's where these come into place. So with your Tundra Trackers, you get this little guy right here, which you will be replacing this one. So this is the basic one. We're gonna have to unscrew it. You see how we have those little bolts right there? And we're gonna have to replace it with this one. And this is what goes onto your advanced track straps right here. So you'll screw that on and it'll be a much tighter fit and it'll be a lot more stable. This is what it looks like. And let me just restate, we're replacing this, putting it on the back instead of these ones, because this is for the basic straps and you use these advanced ones for the advanced straps. So you have to switch it out with the baby screwdriver. So the great thing here that the Tundra Tracker also comes with is one dongle. This is the HTC Vive 2.0 dongle, and you have to plug in 3 of these. You have 3 of these to plug into your 3.0 USB slots on your PC, compared to the Tundra Tracker which is just this one stick that you want to make sure you're plugging into the 3.0 blue port into your PC. Now that's a crazy difference because for anybody who understands the value of 3.0 USB ports, you need to not be using 3 of them like you do with the HTC Vive Tracker. So it's so nice that we have it down to one singular USB port for the Tundra Tracker. So that's a huge plus and a really, really big bonus. And then the last thing we have in the box is this extension cord for USB extending. And again, you could plug in one of your chargers into this if you want that extra length. So it's actually really nice that they provide that as well. And yeah, so the next thing I want to talk a little bit about as an overall review in comparison is here's an HTC Vive 2.0 tracker. Here's the Tundra Tracker. Look at that difference in size. That is crazy to me. And it's insane because the HTC Vive 2.0 tracker over here is a lot heavier as well. And I've worn these already in VR chat. And the difference from the Tundra Tracker to the HTC Vive Tracker weight is crazy. Like it feels like I'm not even wearing trackers when I wear the Tundra Trackers. When I'm wearing HTC Vive, you can feel like a brick on your ankles, especially if you dance a lot. So here we go. There's 3 Tundra Trackers next to a singular HTC 2.0 Vive Tracker. That's crazy. That's absolutely mind-blowing to me. And wow, I'm mind blown. So the huge benefits and pluses of the Tundra Trackers is number 1, way smaller than the HTC Vive Tracker. Number 2, HTC Vive 2.0 trackers have about a 4-hour battery life, and Tundra claims to have 8 to 9. I haven't used them enough yet to say if it has that long, but I do plan on doing a test as well to see if it actually stays true to that. They just feel so much lighter. They're way lighter. And the next plus 2 again was having the singular dongle compared to having 3, taking up 3 3.0 USB slots. I will be doing a separate tutorial video on the Tundra Trackers, which will be out soon. So if you're interested in that video, make sure you watch that. I'll drop that in the description, pin that as well for you to be able to check out once I get the tutorial video out. Thank you to everybody who hung out with us to learn and unbox and review and talk about the Tundra Trackers. Literally next level VR. We're here. Yo, before we know it, we're going into sword art, full immersion, full body stuff. Big pump. Tundra is definitely something you should be paying attention to if you're interested in the VR industry, interested in connecting that with your VTuber, all of that as a whole, interested in full body tracking. Tundra Labs, I highly recommend. Super duper fantastic and definitely a big upgrade from the 2.0 HTC Vive Trackers. All right, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time on the Sapphire Star. Bye!